Yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Samjad bin Azlan.
My name is Muhammad
My-
Farhan bin Abdul Rahman.
And my name is Muhammad Fajin Najwan bin Muhammad Nurizan.
Today, we are going to present to you our final project for ICM 661 Mobile Application and Content Development, which is our final project that we have chosen and developed, which is AFF Quiz Apps. This is our team members, project teams.
Okay, let's start with project theme, which is trivia knowledge. So my teammate were choosing trivia knowledge as the theme for our mobile application, and content development project was an easy decision for us, which is by answering question and learning, you are improving your cognitive skills. Retaining information about topics you are interested is in like an exercise for your mind, allowing you to expand your intelligence and improve mental capabilities. This leads to greater creativity, innovation, and problem-solving skills. So, for the system to be developed, by us is trivia games application, where there are many apps that related to give knowledge about the things around them. When you play trivia games, you're also enhancing your socialization opportunities. What better to get to know your friends and neighbors than through friendly competition, right? Playing games allows to chance to foster conversation and connection. Okay, next please. Let's continue. As a result of our application, people can obtain information without having to study in a state of boredom, as our application generates a unique question that they have never seen before, as well as a variety of questions from which they can select the most appropriate one. So we would like to develop a mobile application for Android devices, which we call as AFF quiz apps. It provides a variety of one-of-a-kind questions about trivia. Is defined as a little known facts of unimportant matters. An example of trivia are details of fight that happened decades ago. Next, please. So for the features of AFF quiz app, our features is there are several of features that included in AFF quiz app, which is the first one is user privacy, where is the login and registration sections of our app will be the first sections to appear. In this section, first-time user must register their email address and password by clicking on our sign up button in order to save their information for the next time they attempt to log in. Users who have previously registered can simply log in with their existing information because the database retains their previous information. Next, please. So the next one is user information of personalization, which is we develop these features in order to collect information about users, such as their nickname, age. These features are only asked for basic information because we only wanted to collect their name, age, and the result of the answered questions, and nothing else was necessary. The next one is trivia knowledge, which is on this part, there are 4 options to choose from. Included of the first one, a unique trivial question with unique question and answer. And the second one is a psychopath question to test the user's understand. Next, please. The next one is marks. For selective answer, the answer will be either correct or incorrect, which is after user have responded to the questions, the point will be calculated and displayed on the final pages of the application. Additionally, if the user is dissatisfied with the result of the games, he or she can redo them by pressing the play again button. So the last one is the review. For review, in addition, at the end of the pages, user can view their previous answer by clicking on the view answers button. This page displays to the user all the correct answer to all the questions that they have previously answered, which is this will assist them in learning the specific facts about the trivia questions. Thank you. I pass to the next presenter.
Okay. Thank you, Fajri. Okay, moving on to the problem description. Okay, first is the scenario. Many of people nowadays, especially children and most teenagers under education level, that need to explore more information about the unique fact about the animals, but they do not know where to find as they try to Google out, but the information is too many and sometimes not meet the need of the question. The teenagers also want to try their psychological perception, so they can use this app to simultaneously know the fact of the unique animals and test their psychological perception. Okay, next. Statement. Some people complain is that they had to find a various information about the other's unique fact of animals and they do not know where to test their psychological perception. Next. Okay, the needs. An application that is practical, which includes many features that can provide information about the unique facts of the animals that some of us still do not know or care about it, and also test their psychological perception level. Okay, next. Okay, moving on to the objective of our system. Okay, this application is developed with the objective to provide users with knowledgeable question and answer that serve with unique fact about animal information. Other than that, to help the users at least know their knowledge level, where they will have to guard their marks after answering all the questions. It is also to test the psychological stand of the users while they answer the question, as the answer is quite similar and tricky. We also want users to release their stress because some of our questions seem funny but knowledgeable. Next. Let's talk about the scope of our system. Okay, this mobile application which is called FFF Quiz Apps is an application that is compatible with Android devices only. The mobile application that is being developed is known as a quiz app that is suitable for any type of genders and also age. This mobile application allows the user to get knowledge about unique fact of animals and also to test their psychological perception. Our aim for this mobile application is to develop relaxing, but they need to think about all types of age and also gender. Thank you.
Okay, let's move on to the advantages of the system. In FF Quiz apps, mobile application, it provides a lot of advantage to the users, such as it helps to add new knowledge. This application asks users to answer a variety of interesting and original questions that are presented by them by the application. A different question will be placed on each page, such as what is the name of the Winnie Pooh author? And there will be 4 answers, one of which will be similar to the other 3 and one of which will be unexpected. A.A. Milstein is the correct answer to the preceding question. The next one is it helps to test user psychological perception. In AF quiz apps, mobile application provide a similar answer and expected answer where the user need to choose properly whether the answer is spelled correctly. Tricky question and the best answer. The user will use their full focus and stand firm to answer the questions. The third one is to get marks. Our application can be used for educational purposes also, as well as for entertainment. Students can download the application and play with their classmates in order to create a friendly competition. This is due to the fact that our application provides users who attempt and answer of all the questions with a score based on their performance. The next one is to provide true answer pages for all the questions to be reviewed. In AF quiz apps, mobile application, we also provide specific pages that contain all the correct answer, along with the question for users to review and compare. User can review all the correct answer by clicking on the review answer button in the application. The fifth one is free. It is free and accessible. This application was created with free and unlimited access in mind, as is stated above. There are no fees to pay in order to access any pages or buttons that must be clicked. The application is designed to assist users in obtaining information, which they can then freely share with others to further their knowledge. Aside from that, this application is simple to use. Users simply need to download and install it on their Android device, which then allow them to access it from anywhere and anytime without using internet or Wi-Fi. These are the sums of the screenshots from the apps. This is a run through to our quiz app, AFF quiz apps. When you hit the application, it will redirect you to the login page. Here, user can use their email to log in or either sign up. So, as a first-time user, the players have to sign up their emails using any emails provider that are available. Once they finish signing up, they can log into our application. Once the login is success, the user will be redirected to our welcome page. Here, you can enter your nickname, your age for the quiz apps. Sign up your nickname and your age, you can press enter and play. This is the interface for our question apps quiz. As you can see, it has a counter for both question and the marks. Our app is a multiple choice question apps. So, if the player chooses the right answer, it will go green. And if the player chooses the wrong answer, it will go red. As you can see, throughout the games, the counter will count up the question left and how many marks they have gotten from the right answers. The advantages of our quiz apps is the admin can change the question and answer according to topic chosen. Once the player has finished answering, they will be directed to the score page. Here, they will be shown how many marks have they gotten from answering all the true and false questions. If the players are curious, they can check the answers here and trace back which answers they got wrong and which answer they got right. Once they hit the play again button, it will be directed back to the welcome page. In conclusion, the use of mobile apps like our apps, AFF quiz apps in an educational environment would have a significant positive impact on the learning experience for both students and teachers. Future generations appear to be extremely receptive to and enthusiastic about the use of new technology. In fact, it is clear that they have to come to embrace it. With the rise of social networking, students expect to be able to use mobile technology on the go to connect with others from any location at any time of the day or night. Mobile learning is a hot new item that is expected to continue to gain popularity as a result of its ease of use. The fact of the matter is that in today's hectic society, convenience is everything. And I think our app can solve this the problem and will bring much more opportunities to provide people for their education and broaden their knowledge. This is an excellent method of assisting people in their learning. That is all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.